Hi guys, hope you're all doing okay. Today we are here, as the picture gives away, for a strength exercise which involves a plank position. A friend of mine proposed this exercise to me, and at the first time that he told me what it was about, I was like, well, I don't think I can do this, because it's basically 30 minutes in a challenging plank position where every 30 seconds basically you shift side. Obviously you can start from, depending on your fitness level, you can start from 5 minutes to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it doesn't matter, as long as the next time that you do the exercise again, you start from at least that very amount of time you did the time before. And then obviously progress every time. Anyway, spending such a long time in a plank position, if your posture ain't right, it will actually hurt you. So please do make sure, have a look at the disclaimer again in our website, be aware of your surrounding, but mostly make sure you have the proper position in the plank, okay? I'm gonna do the first few minutes with you, just so you get a hang of how it works, and have fun. If you do this maybe twice per week, that would be great. It literally will give you a lot of strength quickly. Yeah, challenge yourself, have fun, see how much you can do. Let's get at it. Okay, so the only thing you're gonna need for this exercise is a stop timer or whatever to check your timing. So every 30 seconds you shift. Also, the very last thing, if today, the first time you start perhaps opening up your right side, that's fine. The time after that you do it, you're gonna start from your left side, just to keep things always even and balanced, basically. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Oh. And we start in 3, 2, 1, go. The first time is definitely gonna feel like a big shock, but then you get used to it. Okay, 30 seconds are gone now, so I'm gonna open my right side for the first time. And then you go after 30 seconds straight to the other side. Basically think this exercise made in 3 different sessions. So central position, side, other side, back to central position. "30 seconds are almost gone, so back to central position. And then from now on, you just keep doing this until you're able to. It's actually not that aggressive as an exercise. It becomes a matter of resistance and will, I would say. And then we start again. 30 seconds. 30 seconds are gone. To the next side. And back to central position. And basically you keep going like this for as long as you can until you reach the 30 minutes goal. And then you do that a couple times per week. It'd be definitely good for you. Okay, I hope this can be useful, and I'll see you soon again. Stay home, stay safe, be positive.